Hi guys. So today's episode of Food with Me is very confused because also, first of all, welcome back to my channel. Please go ahead and subscribe, comment. Just comment and be like, I'm here, I'm ready to watch. I don't know. Subscribe, comment, like, do all the things. It helps the channel grow. And I actually enjoy reading your comments. So thank you in advance. Because we're in the kitchen, and Food with Sasu is very confused. We don't know what to do. Because, long story, but then stuff happened. I filmed some of it last time, but I didn't really film Buzunagar. So I have some clips from the food. So I'm just going to use that when I make But Zari, I wanted to make feta nagar. You know feta? Feta bay. Feta malet, it's like ዳቦ ፍርፍር በእንቁላል በስፔሻል ሲሆን ይመስለኛል እርጎ በቱናም ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ ምናምን ያን ሁሉ አናደርግም. We're just gonna make ዳቦ ፍርፍር በእንቁላል because እርጎ አልነበረም. It's not gonna be everything, but we have milk. I love milk, so that's good. And I do have some coffee ግን ከፈላ ቆይቷል. And yes, it has gone bad. So we'll just throw that out and make some maybe new coffee. That might be better. So ፈታ ለመስራት ምን ያስፈልጋል ብላችሁ ጥያቄ አይምሯችሁ ውስጥ ሊፈጠር ይችላል. Well, ፈታ ለመስራት የሚያስፈልገው is I think ዳቦ ፍርፍር ሲሰሩ እንደምትሰሩት ስልስ መስራት ነው መጀመሪያ. አዎ እንግዲህ I have ዳቦ ፍርፍር ሲሰራ ብዙ ጊዜ ምን ይሆንብኛል መሰላችሁ ይሄ እንደ አማርኛው ደስ አይልም ይቦካል ነገር because I never know ምን ያህል ማመጣጠን እንዳለብኝ የዳቦ like ፍርፍሩንና like ዳቦውንና ውሃ መደረግ አለበት. I think ዳቦ ፍርፍር ሲሆን ጭራሽ ውሃ ማድረግ አያስፈልጋችሁም. You just need ውሃ ሳታረጉ ዝም ብሎ በስልሱ በራሱ ብቻ ነው የሚቀላቀለው ተብያለሁ. so እንደዛ ለማድረግ እንሞክራለን ዛሬ ረስተነው ውሃ ካልጨመረን. አሁን ከቀኑ 5:25 ጉዳይ ለ6 ነው. አልበላሁም ከነጋ. ይሄ ሽንኩርት ትላንትና ልጨው እንትን አለ አነሰ ማነው በዛብኝ ሽንኩርቱና ፍሪጅ ውስጥ ተቀምጣ ነበር. አሁን እሷን እንጠቀማት ነው ላችኋለሁ. Like I keep telling you guys, this is not a cooking show. This is just me making food. And you guys are here hanging out with me. So if you don't follow this recipe, okay? Do not follow this recipe. Don't be like, oh, ሳሱ ይሰራችሁ ነው አይቼ ልሰራ ነው ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ. ለምሳሌ ዳቦ ፍርፍር መስራት ትችላላችሁ ግን እንትን በሉ በስርዓት ምግብ የሚሰሩ ሰዎች ቪዲዮ ላይ ሄዳችሁ እዩ. ሳሱ is just vibing. Truly, that's what she does best. Okay. So yeah, እንዴት ናችሁ? I'm very proud of my semi-consistency on YouTube. በእውነቱ ከሆነ I'm proud of myself. Yeah. You know what people don't understand ስለ social media, with my social media journey. የሆነ ሰው ስከት ፊኒሽ ስላሉኝ ነው. I think ይታያል ትንሽ ከሞላ ጎደል እየከተፍኩ እንደሆነ. Period. Look at her. Don't need to see. Brown. ጣት ቁርጥ. No, we're good. Don't worry. And now, I tried to clean up for you, but it still looks so messy and not so cluttered. I don't know why. It's very annoying. Yeah, what people don't understand about me and social media is that ብር የሚለው ሀሳብ ደስ እንደሚለኝ ያህል ራሴ የምፈልገውን ነገር ማድረግ መቻሌ ደስ አይል. You know what I mean? Does that make sense? I want freedom more than I want money. I want to say what I want to say. I want to share my thoughts and opinions and all those things. And እንደዛ ደግሞ ማለት ከባድ ነው. You know what I mean? ሰው የሚወዳችሁ ወይንም ሰው የሚስማማው ከናንተ ጋር ከሱ ጋር እስከተስማማችሁ ድረስ ነው. ከዛ በኋላ ትወገርና oh my god I love her በማለትና ትወገር በሚለው መሀል ያለው በጣም ትንሽዬ ላይን ነች ነው people are very quick to turn on you so it's hard to be you know what I mean that honest yes I look honest I am as honest as I can be but ብዙ እንትን እምላቸው ነገሮች አሉ ነው like ይቅርብን ብዬ ሳልልም አልፈው ብዙ ነገር አለ በዛ ላይ ያው መቼም የማውቃቸው ሰዎች ስላሉ እነሱ እንዳይደብራቸው ማላቸውም ነገሮች አሉ ብዙ so you know what I mean it's tough but I enjoy it I like it I like talking I think ከሁሉ የበለጠም ወደው ይመስለኛል አይኔ ተቃጠለ ጌታ ሆይ ከሁሉ በላይ ወደው is ማንም ሳያቋርጠኝ ማውራት መቻሌን ስገምት so and yeah I mean I do that to my friends I'm like pause let me talk but this is truly I don't have to feel guilty you know what I mean so and that's what I like about making content that I can just yap to no end and have fun I wouldn't say that's necessarily a good thing but that's my truth you know what I mean so ሏሻችሁ አልፈልግም ይሄ መጥበሻ ማለት ነው ቡጩን ላሳያችሁ አልፈልግም ግን ተጣሟል ራሱ ይሄ መጥበሻ ጎንደር ሲሄድ የተገዛልኝ መጥበሻ ነበርና ያው ደሞዝ የመጀመሪያዬን ስላልበላሁኝ እንትን ነበር ቤተሰቦቼ ናቸው የገዙልኝ so I was like yeah ቲማቲም እንጨምርበት ወይ ምክንያቱም ይሄ ቲማቲም እኔ apparently 1 ኪሎ ለአንድ ሰው በጣም ብዙ ነው እና የመበላሸት እድሉ ሰፊ ነው እየቀላች ስለሆነ እንጨምራት እስከዛ ድረስ ሽንኩርታችንን እናበስላለን ማለት ነው አይደል እንዴ ባለሙያዎች ያው on course wow here's the thing if I can cook and feed myself anyone can cook and feed themselves see በስላለች look at how cute I love timatim by the way it might be my favorite vegetable ግን ቲማቲም vegetable አይደለም it's a fruit interesting ምን ነበርላችሁ የነበረው ቲማቲም ይላጣሉ አይላጥም ግን እንትን ማለት አልፈልግም ማቀቀልና ምናምን ፍሪጅ ውስጥ ካስገባው በኋላ እንደዛ ማድረግ አሪፍ ነው ግን ከዛ በፊት I just don't like it so I would rather peel it anyways oh my god hilarious let me tell you about this date that I was on it's been a while he may or may not watch my YouTube I don't think I care so this guy this is not about him specifically it's just about something that happened I did tell him at the time hey Jay አወራለሁኝ on my YouTube አሪፍ story ሆነልኛል እያልኩት ነበረ we are not talking since then but this is not why we stopped talking I just want to make it very clear this was funny we had a good time you know because I'm ተገናኝተናል so it's not like you know what I mean it's just funny it's just a funny thing not that serious before you guys act like I have seen some comments with people who are like irritating a little bit so just disclaimer so ተገናኝተን እናውቃለን ከዚህ በፊት it was not our first date and when we were planning it he was like እንትን በይ በቃ make sure you dress up we're gonna go he didn't say we're gonna go somewhere he just said በቃ ዘንጠሽ ነይ and I was like what and he was like what so in my mind I thought okay maybe he wants to go somewhere nice my mistake it was my mistake for thinking words meant anything and then yeah he came to pick me up I dressed up I did not post the video because I thought I don't know I didn't post the video I do have pictures from it I don't know if I want to post that but I did dress up is what I'm trying to say I wore a dress I put my hair back I put on lipstick I had cute shoes on I had a little trench coat moment on I look good you're gonna have to trust me my friend saw እነሱ መመስከር ይችላሉ ከዛ this man came in ripped jeans shit ዘይት ነበረኝ መጠቀም የፈለኩት in ripped jeans and a hoodie, which by the way, wear whatever the hell you want. I really don't care. ምላችሁ ይወስነዋል. I mean, obviously there are some things that I like when guys wear, but generally, you know, it's not that deep. Sometimes it is. I'm lying. Sometimes it is that deep to me. But, you know, you look at people and you're like, it's fine. So it's not that it's a hoodie and jeans that was the problem. Like, እንዴት አይነት ድፍረት ነው. On a date with me, he's wearing jeans and ripped jeans and a hoodie. But yeah, አይደለም መብቱ ነው. Why did he tell me to dress up? Now I look like, he looks like a tech billionaire. We're like Justin Bieber and Hailey. But none of us are billionaires. You know what I mean? Is Hailey Bieber a billionaire? Yeah, I think so. So I was like, what do you mean? And I don't want to be cool. I'm not someone who's like, oh, መጀመሪያ ላይ I'm gonna be like, you know, cute and like, ምናምን. You meet me, I'm pretty much, እንደው በጣም ቢበዛ የመጀመሪያው meeting ላይ I might be a little bit reserved and like quiet, but not even quiet, just me. I'm lying, not the first meeting. Maybe 30 minutes into the first meeting, I might be chill and not crazy. But kaza bhala immediately I'm like, this is me. You know that song? Look out, 'cause here I come. I'm marching to the Milo. That's me. Yeah, what you see is mostly what you get. I don't know. I'm good. Maybe people are like, this fake bitch. Cause I was like, yeah. I was like, what do you mean? What do you mean? And it was funny. He was like, okay, we can go somewhere nice. And I'm like, it's not, now I don't want to go anywhere nice because I'm overdressed and you're underdressed. And I don't know. It's just going to look weird. Allah, you want to match with the person that you're with, not maybe color, not style. At least the formality of your clothes. Personally. I don't want it to look like he said, hey, Magale, and I said, what's up? You got, how much will you pay? And then I got in the car. I don't know. So we had a good night. Zoro, that was not even a problem. But one thing about me, I don't know. Sometimes, Saura, I'm like, is that how people think though? But it doesn't matter. This is my channel. And the only thing that matters is, look at how crispy that bread is. Ready to be eaten. Anyways, all that matters is that I feel like that's true about me, I guess. I don't know. ከባድ ነው ምላችሁ እያረረ ነው ሽንኩርቱ by the way. ከዛ yeah. Look at her. She's ready. Hey girl. And no, that was not, anyways, it wasn't a problem. But when people say something to me, I think, okay, yeah, that's what you mean. So if you say, I'll see you in 5 hours, and nahun sabat sa'akun, I'm going to be like, sabat skasmin, kasmin skasmin, kasmin skasr, kasr skasran, kasran skasrolit. So I'm going to expect to see you at rolisat. Or if you say, I'll call you back in 10 minutes, I'm going to be like, okay, 10 to 30 minutes, and I'll expect you to call me in 10 to 30 minutes. You know what I mean? But I guess words don't mean anything, especially in dating. Because if it's my friends, I don't think I mind. Like, I can call and be like, you know, you can say that to your friends. You don't have to be like coy. And I just find it very frustrating when words have no meaning and when they don't have any value. So you can say sabah saat to me and then you call me zatain saat is unacceptable. Like, yani hulas saat, is it like, do you think I'm a bum? Is that what you're trying to say? So yeah, what do you guys think? Anyways, the coming Maurat. Let's get into the food. Already this video is too long. So we're kind of getting better at like filming food. So this is very exciting for me. ያረረ ነው again. ቲማቲም ስላለው I don't want it to be too sweet, but I think we can still add some merti timatim and it wouldn't be too bad, right? Okay, tolo no. By the way, ይሄ timatim is much better. Oh, that looks nasty, but this ድልህ is better. ያው ብዙ ቤተሰብ ካላችሁ ደግሞ በቆርቆሮ አለ። እኔ ይሄን ራሱ ለሶስት መጠቀም ስለምችል ነው። again ከንትኖቹ ማለት ነው መርካቶ ምናምን ከሚሸጡት የውጮቹ ብራንዶች ይሄ አሪፍ ነው። ወፍራም ነው ምናምን it's good. አሁን እንግዲህ እንቁላል ሳንድዊች በሌላ ሼፕ በሉት ይሄ ሁሉ ሰዓት የምንለፋው. Cuz like do we need to though? You know what I mean? Probably not. Probably not. ባለፈው ጀምሬያት የተረፈች እንትን አለች ክኖር. So ጨው አልጠቀምም ማለት ነው. I'm just gonna use ይሄን ክኖር የሙያዬ ጥግ እንዳልኳችሁ ክኖር ነው. So we are gonna do that. And then I want to add some berbere. Not a lot, just a little bit. Cuz I don't know. ቁርስ ስለሆነ ብዙ በርበሬ አልጠቀም አይነት ነገር መሰለኝ አስተሳሰብ I don't know. But anyways, ትንሽ ቁላላና we'll be back. Okay, we are back. I don't know if the mic is working. I'm trying not to ውሃ ሳልጨምርበት see እንትን ካለ I'm trying not to ውሃ ሳልጨምርበት see. What was that? Sometimes those people አማርኛና እንግሊዝኛ አቀላቂ የሚሉ they're right, but they can shove it. You know what I mean? So ውሃውን ሳላበዛበት ለመቀላቀል እየሞከርኩ ነው። ቡክትክት እንዲል አልፈልግም because I hate it እንደዛ ሲሆን. But I don't know how to stop it from doing that, to be honest with you. I think ቶሎ ማገላበጥ maybe? Thank God this is not TikTok and it's just 1,000 of you who are going to watch it and be like, damn, that girl sucks. ምግብ መስራት አትችልም. Don't say that about me. I love you. Why would you say that? Okay, ከዛ I don't know. ከዛ ቶሎ ላውርደው እንዳይበ እንትን እንዳይ. Okay, so I don't know. ቡክት እንዳይል በጣም I'm just gonna I think ከወረደ በኋላ ይመስለኛል መደረግ ያለበት because see what I mean? It's still a little bit, you know? It's a little bit, yeah. ባልነግራችሁ ግን እንደዚህ ስታዩት it doesn't look bad, right? Looks kind of good actually. Wow, ሙያ እኔ ጋር እኮ ነው የቀረው በቃ. And now you're at a weird angle on the same pan because እቃ ማነካካት ፍላጎት የለኝም and this is በስቶብኝ የቀነስኩት የነበረው ዘይት. We're just gonna make some eggs. Eggs. I love eggs. I wouldn't say it's my favorite food ever, but close. ይህን ይመስላል. Oh.
Should I apologize and promise I will ever?
ዘይቱ was not, you know what I mean? It's okay, we'll make it work. እንቁላል መምታት አልፈለኩም because I hate ሽታውን እቃ ላይ እንትን ሲል and to be honest with you ማጥባቸውን እቃዎች መጠን ለመቀነስ እየሞከርኩ ነው. Normally I add food coloring when I make እንትን እንደዚህ like eggs and stuff. When I make eggs, not stuff, just eggs. But እንዳልኳችሁ ነው እዚህ ላይ food coloring ማድረግ just makes no sense. Coming up. Okay. And then some honey? Question mark? Not sure why. I feel like mistakes are being made and you guys are not stopping me. Are you bad friends? I think so. በቡና ማፍላት ፋንታ ማለት ነው ምክንያቱም ቡና ሁሌ ጠጭ አይደለሁም እና ይሄን ቡና የተበላሸው is because I don't really drink coffee. So I'm gonna make some chai. Nope, that's not the word. I'm gonna make some, yeah, I think chai tea ነው የሚባለው. ያው ሻይ ቅጠል ያለው ሻይ ማለት ነው ይጣፍጣል. ከዛ ቀረፋ አረግበታለሁ. I feel like እናንተን impress ለማድረግ I'm just doing crazy things. But I mean I like ይበቃኛል። እናቴ ቀረፋ ውድ ነው። ከዛ ዝንጅብል ጨምር ነበረ ግን that's just doing way too much. Let's just leave it at this. And then I መቀነስ ትንሽ because I love ወተት በባዶ። Okay guys, I just did not want to move the so የዛሬ ቁምሳችን it's not even ቁርስ it's ቁምሳ ይሄን ይመስላል። ወተቱ ከነጭነት ብዙ አላለፈም በእውነቱ ከሆነ ምናልባት ትንሽ ይቀረዋል በኋላ ሻይ ቅጠሉ ሲቀመጥበት ሊስተካከል ይሆናል። That is my water. Yeah, because I don't think the water here is drinkable. So let's try it. እንዳላችሁ ሞክራለሁ። ማሩ surprisingly it's good. እንቁላሉ ብዙ ዘይት ስላላረኩበት ነው መሰለኝ it tastes a little bit like የተቀቀለ እንቁላል but not in a bad way. This is my breakfast/lunch. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. I appreciate you. Bye.